Good evening. My name is Da Vinci, and it's April 13th, 2011, and I want you to take a look at two videos, both of which I agree with. One is Michael Ruper's, the links are below, and he says that in July that the stock markets are going to take a plunge and probably bringing all the commodities and stuff like that with it. I agree with it somewhat. However, there are some issues. If you look at Mike Maloneys' video, which is also linked below, he shows off how the Fed has manipulated markets by pumping liquidity, which is just cash, into the markets to stabilize them and to cause them to rise. Thus, Michael Ruper hasn't factored in whether or not the Fed will either get ahead of this particular crash, or B, use this crash to pump up the dollar and lower interest rates. I think we should take both those data points, both Michael Rupert's and Mike Maloneys, and decide, okay, well, what is the best option for the Fed in order to have its cake and eat it too, meaning a higher dollar and a lower interest rates. There has to be some sort of understanding or some sort of belief that the Treasury notes and the dollar is a safe haven currency, or B, there has to be an agreement between all central banks to simulate this belief, meaning all the central banks start to buy up dollars as this thing, U.S. dollars as this thing falls apart, and Treasury notes, and make the economic system look like, yeah, it's collapsing in commodities and stocks, but hey, you know what? Everybody's taking refuge in the real safe haven, which is the dollar and Treasury notes. So that is the question you need to look for to answer of how this July is going to play out in the next little while. And I'm going to look for that. I'm not 100% sure how it's going to play out. I haven't found enough data points to say what's going to happen for sure, but it looks like Mike Maloneys' deflation and allowing the Fed to both pump liquidity into the market, print money like crazy, and cause the dollar to rise and cause interest rates to go down. So take a look at that. If anybody can find any newsletter writings and information on that subject, I would love to read it. Thanks. And thanks for watching. Remember to invest in yourself and always buy gold and silver. Not buy, save in gold and silver. Thanks.